UC Biology Department website, and then you click on faculty listing, which is right over here. Then you click on my name. It comes up, you come down to Anatomy and Physiology review sheets. When you click on it, you have to have a username and password. That's the GCC username and password. I can't tell you what those are. I mean, you know, you set that up. I didn't, so I can't tell you what that is. Okay, then it takes you to this page, and then you go down to, and it has arteries, and it has, you know, below you're going to see that it has veins for you to look at, so by all means take a look at that, but we're going to go in histology here, and we're going to look at blood. And these will be the white blood cells that I will show you on the practical, but I'll mix them up, I won't show them in this order. Okay, so here are the white blood cells. The one that we see right here, it's a granulocyte, is an eosinophil, bilobe nucleus, probably, well, so the two lobes attached by a thin strand of nucleoplasm between them, but pink-orange granules. And notice the red blood cells around, and in a lot of cases the red blood cell looks like a donut, and that's because the center of the cell is very, very thin, and all the hemoglobin has been pushed out of it as it laid down on the slide. Okay, so that is an eosinophil. Then we'll go to a basophil. This is a basophil. We really can't see distinctly the two lobes of the nucleus. They're there, but the dark purple-blue granules are obvious, and you know, they stand out in marked contrast to what we saw in the eosinophil. The next one is going to be a neutrophil. It has 4 to 5 lobes to the nucleus. You can tell that there's some granular material in the cytoplasm, but it doesn't have any color to it, and that's going to be the neutrophil. So there's 1, 2, looks like 3, 4, maybe 5, or perhaps it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it's clearly more than 2 lobes to the nucleus, and kind of just a gray look to the granular material. Now we'll look at agranulocytes, so that's going to be lymphocyte and monocyte. This is a monocyte. It has a U or C-shaped nucleus, which is very well seen here, but a lot of times in spreads of blood, you don't see that because, okay, although everybody can see that I'm holding my hand up like a U, but if it sits down on the slide like this, then you can't see that. But the notable feature here is you don't see any granules out in the cytoplasm, and the diameter of this is about the diameter of 3 red blood cells together. It's clearly the largest of the white blood cells. And then that's a lymphocyte. This is usually an immature lymphocyte, has just a thin rim of cytoplasm. This has more around it, so it has been stimulated and is developing into a mature lymphocyte. B cell or T cell, we can't tell looking at it like this. And then we have platelets. So, you know, all of the formed elements are here, and what I'll do is I'll show these to you, you know, every time we get together, but on the practical, I am just going to, I'm just going to scatter these. Okay, everybody good with that? All right, so let me get this off. And